Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix TCP Smart Plug not connecting to Wi-Fi, pairing mode 2.4 GHz and reset steps. Fix 1. Switch to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. TCP Smart Plugs are not compatible with 5 GHz networks. So disable 5 GHz temporarily. Log into your router's admin dashboard or via your ISP app like BT, Sky or Virgin Media and temporarily disable the 5 GHz band. Or turn off boosters. If you have Wi-Fi repeaters, extender mesh networks, or utilize signal boosters, turn them off during the pairing process to avoid band steering where your phone forces a 5 GHz connection. Fix 2. Factory reset the plug. Plug the device into a wall socket and then turn it on. Once done, press and hold the physical power reset button for 5 to 10 seconds, and then release the button when the LED indicator light starts blinking rapidly, usually blinking blue or amber. Fix 3. Check app permissions and credentials. For permissions, make sure your mobile phone has location services slash permissions enabled for the TCP Smart app. Password, double check that your Wi-Fi password is typed accurately. 6. 4. Use AP mode. Reset the plug so the LED is blinking slowly. Press and hold the button again if it is blinking rapidly. Now in the TCP app, when attempting to add a device, tap Otherwise or the settings icon in the top right corner and choose AP mode. Then follow the app prompts to go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and connect to a network that looks like Smart Life-XXXX. Then return to the app and let it finish linking. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos do like, share and subscribe to our channel.